Hey everybody, this is Desert Lumens, once again bringing you in first impression of the Thorfire TK01 mini flashlight. Now once again, Thorfire being a no-frills company, their packaging is pretty simple, but the flashlights are real high in quality. Now, you get 2 O-rings with this kit. You get a little keychain ring here, and you get the instruction manual. I'll hold this up so you can see it. The other side. Now, as you can see, this is powered by the Nichia 219C LED. You can see the machining's really nice on this flashlight. The only thing about the negative thing I can say about it's not really the machining, but it's just sometimes I see the way Thorfire and TK01 and on and off, I see that varies light to light. Sometimes it'll be faded, sometimes it'll be really clear. Mine is kind of beat up, but you know, that really doesn't take from the quality of the light itself. As you can see, it does have some orange peeling in the reflector. Give it as much of a flood that it can with this little light. It just has one mode. It's 85 lumens. It has a beam distance of 100 feet, 6-foot impact resistance, and this little LED puts out about 250 candela. So like I was saying, the knurling here on the tail is really, it's good, it's decent. The machining's nice. Like I said, it's just one mode, it's a twisty. You just twist all the way, and it turns on. 85 lumens. It's a really warm tint. As you know, I love neutral white and really warm light. So the 219C is a real nice LED. So let's open her up here. This takes one AAA battery. Does not support the 10440. I just have a regular old energizer in here. You can see for a little flashlight, even though it's really cheap, it's still high quality. That's a really nice spring. You can look at the threads, it's really nice. It's lubricated nicely on the threads. And you can see down there, it's like a little nipple type. I know a couple of you guys tease me because of that, but hey, you know, I call it how I see it. But you can see down there, it's really nice. It's a real quality build that they have here. And I really like these little lights because I like these little keychain lights. And, you know, there's a couple keychain lights that come to mind. One is the Soul Fern. I think that one was called the SP10A. And that's around the same price as the Thorfire. It's about, you know, $14, $15. That's one that's on my list. And then you got this little guy by Olight, the I1R. This is 2 modes, you know, 5 lumens and 130 lumens. But we'll talk about that guy at a later date. And then you got my buddy here, the Lumen Top Tool AAA. And as you can see, this one's beat up, but hey, you know, I use my flashlights here, so you know, that doesn't matter to me. And this is a really nice light that'll go on your keychain as well. And I'll have a review, first impressions video coming up on this light really soon as well. But back to the Thorfire TK01 here. This is a really good light. This will be a real good light if you want to put on your keys or just put it in your backpack or clip it to your purse. I had this on the outside of my bag for the longest time, but I got a little bit of a smaller little light. But this is a real good light for your everyday carry, and it's small. It, you know, stays out of the way, and it puts out enough power, puts out enough light for you to be able to, you know, get into your house, look for your keys, or if you dropped any change in your car or anything. But also, another cool thing, before I wrap this video up that was interesting, looks like it has a slot on the back here for a tritium light. If you want to install a trite in here, looks like it has a slot for one. And that's really interesting that you'll find that on this little light. But this is a real good light, like I was saying. This has been Desert Lumens, bringing you the Thorfire TK01. I'll drop some links down below for you to pick this up on Amazon, or if you're looking for a non-toxic Facebook group for flashlights, the Flashaholics Anonymous group on Facebook. We're always looking for good people, and you know, there you don't have to worry about anything. You can be from the beginner all the way to the pro, and no one's gonna shame you, and we're just a real nice bunch of people. So if you're looking for a good group to join, Flashaholics Anonymous, we're there on Facebook. Come find us. This has been Desert Lumens. Once again, thank you very much for watching. You guys have a blessed evening. Thank you.